Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Jeremiah, and let me tell you what, it's been a busy week at work. It's time to go wash my beard. This is going to be my first video ever, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to tame your curly beard. And what better time to show you than right now? Hey there, and we're back. So, what we're trying to do in this video is tame the curly beard. If it's like me, curly underneath, sort of straight in the front, you want it all to be the same. You don't want it to be different lengths. And also, we're going to fix the V while we're at it. So first thing you do when you get out of the shower is you want to pat dry your beard. Just very lightly, get all the water out of it. It'll still be a little damp, that's okay. What you don't want to do is scrub on the beard and be really aggressive with it and start pulling out hairs. We don't need to do that. It's a beard, it takes a very long time for it to grow. So next thing you want to do is get some beard oil. Remember, just a little bit goes a long way. And then work it in there in your skin. Just run your fingers through like a comb. Get it in there everywhere. Now what this is going to do right now for this purpose is kind of put like a protective barrier around it for what we're going to do next. Which is grabbing a hairdryer. I know a lot of you guys don't want to use a hairdryer, but if you want to have a nice looking beard, this is a very powerful weapon to have in your arsenal. So, don't forget to fix your hair, guys. One of the big things I forget is I get my beard nice and good and walk out the door, get in the car, look at my hair. Oh, I forgot to do my hair. As long as the beard looks good, right? Alright, so you don't want to put it too close to your face. You'll start burning your hair. You don't want it too far away. It'll just take a long time. And you want to blow dry in the direction that you want your beard to go. So you want your beard to go down, I would assume. So you want to blow dry down. And work the comb through at the same time. I recommend getting a paddle brush. Perfect. And another thing, if you're doing this and you feel it start to snag, stop, start over again. If you have a mustache comb, I would use it right now, and if you don't, I would recommend getting one. And there you go. You can also get one of these extremely wide tooth combs for the big beards. Because I've tried the picks before and I didn't really like them. They kind of start pulling out my hair. I found this one works really good. Now, I don't claim to have the best beard in the world. As a matter of fact, far from it. But this is all one length. The underside is as close to the front length as it can get. Like I said before, my underlength is about here, and it just looks terrible. So that's what you got to do. And if you want it to kind of hold a little bit longer, go ahead and blast it with some cold air. Plus, with the cold air, it kind of, you know, you can feel the wet spots in your face if you still have any. Then you can go back across it with the hot air. So hopefully this helps you. At this point, if you want, you can put some more oil in. You can put some more balm if you have balm. For the mustache, you know, put some wax in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video right here. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a comment. If you have questions about just anything about the beard, doesn't have to be about this video. It could be just any question you have, any question, anything you're struggling with the beard, even powerful points with the beard. Go ahead. No question is stupid. No question can be asked too many times. I've been growing a beard for 4 years, and I still go online getting tips. So at this point, I'd like to thank you for watching the video, and keep on growing.